Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities, and fire attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. History and all the best reviews about the visit and room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts credit cards and reserve the right temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you may subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video.